Maaasahan kahit saan, kailanman, my favorite FM radio. Diba mas bagong tunog, para sa lahat ay inihahandog. Halika, mabubusog ating mga tenga sa mga tugtog na mas pinapalawak, na musika at balita ay pinapalaganap. Naglilingkod, nagbubuklod para sa mamamayan. Palagi kang kasama kahit nasan ka man. Buong bansa ay iisa. Music Radio, di ka pinapakinggan kahit saan, kailanman. My favorite Music Radio, ang pinaka-maaasahan kahit saan, kailanman. My favorite FM Radio. Tumutugon, umaaksyon sa lahat ng panahon. Lagi mong kasama sa pagbangon. Mas pinapalawak para mga Pilipino kasama. Naglilingkod dahil buong bansa ay iisa. My favorite Music Radio, di ka pinapakinggan kahit saan, kailanman. My favorite Music Radio, ang pinaka-maaasahan kahit saan, kailanman. My favorite app, my favorite Music Radio, di ka pinapakinggan kahit saan, kailanman. My favorite Music Radio, ang pinaka-maaasahan kahit saan, kailanman. My favorite music.
Good day. You are listening to DYWF-FM. DYWF-FM is a commercial radio station owned and operated by Philippine Collective Media Corporation with license number 1677 with a power of 10,000 watts on 93.1 kilohertz. Its studio and offices are located at the second floor of Mariners Court, Legazpi Extension, San Roque, Cebu City, by its transmitter located at Barangay Babag Uno, Cebu City. DYWF-FM operates under the supervision of an electronics and communications engineer, duly licensed by the Professional Regulation Commission, Engineer Mark Anthony de la Cruz, and carried out by the following personnel: duly licensed by the Professional Regulation Commission and the National Telecommunications Commission. Engineer Mark Anthony de la Cruz with ECE license number 0019068. Virgilio Villanueva and Antonio Igas. This is DYWF-FM 93.1 FM Radio Cebu. Now signing off.
Kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Kayang magiliw, telas ng sinanganan, alam ng puso, sa titik mo'y